What if you could start building an extra source of income without renting an office, buying expensive equipment, or quitting your current job? Today, I'm going to show you 3 realistic income streams you can start from home, even if you're starting with very little money. And the best part? You can start with just a smartphone, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. The first income stream is freelancing. Freelancing means using a skill you already have, or learning a skill, to provide services to clients online. You could offer writing, graphic design, video editing, virtual assistants, social media management, transcription, data entry, or even tutoring. For example, if you're good at mathematics, you could tutor students online. If you enjoy writing, you could create blog posts, social media captions, or product descriptions for businesses. The important thing is not to offer everything at once. Choose one skill, improve it, create a few examples of your work, and then start looking for clients. You can find opportunities through freelance marketplaces, social media, networking, or by contacting small businesses directly. Your first goal shouldn't be to make thousands of dollars. Your first goal should be getting your first paying client and using that experience to build credibility. The second income stream is content creation. You don't necessarily need an expensive camera or a studio. A smartphone can be enough to begin. You can create educational videos, tutorials, inspirational content, product reviews, storytelling videos, financial education, cooking content, or entertainment. And you don't have to appear on camera if you don't want to. You can create faceless videos using voiceover, stock footage, animations, screen recordings, or AI-assisted production tools. The key is consistency. Instead of trying to become viral overnight, focus on creating useful content for a specific audience. As your audience grows, different monetization opportunities can become available, including advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, memberships, or services. Think of content creation as building an asset. One useful video can continue attracting viewers long after you publish it. The third income stream is selling digital products. This is particularly interesting because you can create something once and potentially sell it repeatedly. Digital products can include ebooks, templates, planners, spreadsheets, online courses, study guides, printable worksheets, presets, or downloadable resources. For example, a teacher could create mathematics revision notes. A fitness enthusiast could create a workout planner. A writer could create an ebook. And someone who understands social media could create a collection of social media templates. The important thing is to solve a real problem. Don't create a product simply because you think people might buy it. Find something people are already struggling with, create a useful solution, and make the buying process simple. You can sell digital products through platforms designed for creators and online sellers, or through your own website. Now here's where things become interesting. You don't necessarily have to choose only one. These 3 income streams can work together. For example, you could start by freelancing and use the money you earn to improve your skills. Then create content around what you're learning. As your audience grows, you can create a digital product that solves a problem for that audience. Now you have 3 connected income streams. Freelancing generates active income. Content creation builds an audience. And digital products can create additional income from that audience. But remember, none of these methods is a magic button. You may not make money immediately. You will probably make mistakes. You may get rejected by clients, struggle to get views, or create products that don't sell. That's normal. The people who succeed are usually the ones who keep learning, improving, testing different approaches, and staying consistent. Start small. Don't wait until everything is perfect. So, which one will you start with? Freelancing, content creation, or digital products? Tell me in the comments. And if you found this video useful, subscribe for more practical ideas about making money online, building skills, and creating additional income streams from home. Remember, you don't need to start big. You just need to start.